Hello everybody, welcome to another Diamond Report and happy opening day, opening weekend. Today's August 19th. Let's dive right into it. First for everybody, reminder to schools, if you need an umpire for a game or contest later this fall, plug that into the Google Doc link that I have at the top of the Diamond Report. If you're an umpire looking for games, check that report out and you may be able to connect the dots and get what you need. Let's talk about suspended games and postponed games. We'll have a number of tournaments this weekend. If a tournament has been seeded, it's been put into pools, brackets, and the games have started, should the tournament be suspended, postponed because of weather or other reasons, a reminder that you cannot change the format once that tournament has begun. So you cannot manipulate, change matchups, etc. You could do that before the tournament began, but you cannot change the format once games have been played, cannot manipulate matchups, etc. Also, for everybody, if a situation arises where you only need one umpire this year, that is permissible. The NFHS rules allow for that, and that one umpire would work behind home plate. Having said that, our umpire numbers are up significantly. We're about 15 umpires more than last year, which is awesome, and it's a great trend that hopefully continues. Also, I want to remind everybody of the certification marks that need to be on those bats. We've got a diagram in this week's Diamond Report that shows you the USA/ASA stamps that need to be on those bats. Make sure that those are on there. Coaches, you're the first line of defense on this, and hopefully by now you've had a chance to inventory those bats and look through them and make sure they're legal bats. Specifically for coaches this week, now that the season has begun, you cannot add a game to your varsity schedule. Your varsity schedules are locked on the NSAA webpage. All the games that are on that schedule need to be played. The other question I proposed to coaches in schools this week, can an alumni, a former high school player of yours, participate in practice? Is that allowed? And the answer is no. According to approved ruling 311.1 through 311.3, during the season, schools are not allowed and are not permitted to allow somebody that is not a member of the team participate in practice and or games. The examples in this approved ruling include adults, college students, alumni. They shouldn't be participating in your practices, drills, scrimmages, etc. Make sure you're following those rules, know those rules, because that's a question that's been asked as of late. Also, coaches, a reminder that you can vote on postseason consideration for umpires now, and it's available in your login. So if you've got an umpire that really stuck out, somebody that should be working postseason according to you, make sure you cast that ballot. For umpires this year, our observers are noted on this document. We've got Jim Bewley, Bob Hawkinson, Paul Hers, Tony Huerta, Paul Simonton, and Jeff Smith helping out this year, and maybe another one or two coming up. So they'll be out watching you and observing you. Already started last night. A reminder, umpires, I need your schedule submitted. We were looking through schedules last night, trying to get observers in front of some of you, and we could not get your schedule because it's not on the NSAA website. Make sure you do that. And also, if you're going to want to be in for postseason consideration, apply by Friday, September 9th. Those details are in your NSAA umpire login. Make sure you also include what days you're available to work the week of districts, which is the week of October 3rd. Have a great weekend, everybody. We'll see you soon.